Who want? 8 viewers, mega mega love shout out. Thank you talaga. Ayan. Super thank you ako kasi nag-22 tayo. Yes, 2 viewers, mega love shout out. Ayan. Pag nawala na, maglinis muna ako. Ayan. 12 viewers, mega mega love shout out guys. Welcome to my live and also thank you for coming to my live guys. Guys, I want to clean our house guys. 12 viewers, mega mega love shout out. Thank you for coming guys. Thank you for coming. I will clean my room already. Thank you, Kunyang TV Vlog, TV. Good morning, mega love shout out. Good morning, Kunyang TV. Good morning po. Thank you po sa pagpunta sa aking live and pagsuporta na rin. And also, MCC TV Vlogs, thank you very much for coming. Also, yan, 8 viewers, mega love shout out. Yan. Thank you. Good morning din po. Ayan, good morning din. Ayan, abutan na kita lagi. Naka-silent na ako pag nakikita kita, Kunyang TV. Pag naka-silent na ako pag naaabutan ko. Pag nakikita ko yung may ano mo, yung tawag dito, yung comment mo. Ayan. Naglinis ako ng aking room, guys. Gawa ng aking mga doggy. Ang aking doggy ay kasama ko sa aming room. Yan. Yung 6 na aking alaga, guys. Kasama ko sa aking room. Thank you, MCC! Thank you! And also, Kunyan TV, thank you for coming. Thank you, guys. Habang naglinis ako, nandyan kayo, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Yan. Thank you. Sandali lang naman to at ang aking room ay papasok na yung aking mga alaga. 11 viewers, mega love shout out. Salamat sa papunta din sa live ko. Okay. Basta po ako pag nagsusupport lagi po ako kapag halimbawa pinuntahan talaga ako. Pupuntahan ko din sila pag nag-live talaga. Ganun po ako, support lang tayo dito guys. Ayan. Thank you 8 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning guys, good morning. Good morning po sa lahat na nandyan. Good morning sa 8 viewers, mega love shout out. 10 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Kala nila Mexicana ako. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys. I'm so appreciated guys. Yan. I'm so thankful for coming to my live. Yung 22 viewers kanina. Thank you sa 22 na pumunta dito kanina. 20 viewers na pumunta sa aking live. Maraming salamat guys. I'm happy that ayan, I'm happy to coming to my live guys. For coming to my live yan. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Yan. I will cleaning our room for my fur babies. Yan. Good morning guys. 7 viewers, mega mega love shout out. Good